Good morning. It is Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. First and foremost, want to send up prayers, well wishes, and good thoughts for everybody affected by the senseless terrorist attack that happened yesterday morning early. I hope that God gives healing, peace, and comfort that surpasses all understanding, as only He can. And I thank you for my little God moment, but He's oh so worthy of so much more. I wasn't going to do this video because I'm not hot shotting today. I am. It's Thursday and Friday. You know, I didn't want to get involved in a load that was going to carry me over the weekend, and there's really nothing on the load board anyway. I'm gonna get back on the can I make it in hot shot, you know, trying to get the minimum per week done. But what I'm doing today is, since I'm not pulling anything, I'm not doing any maintenance. I told you sometime in the past, I don't know if it was the last video or several videos ago, but I had some kind of postcards, little handouts that provide all my information on it. And today and tomorrow I'm going to ride around and hand as many of those out as I can. I'm trying to target local machine shops, fabrication shops, equipment stores, you know, tractor suppliers, dealers, sporting good, power sports, motorcycle, four-wheeler, side-by-side dealers, and you know, just hand out as many of these flyers as I can. You see a lot of videos of people telling you to get direct customers, and people telling you how to do it on the phone, and telling you how to do it with a computer, and yada yada yada. But you know, everybody says just get out there and shake the bushes, get out there and shake the bushes, pound the ground, you know, make it happen, get it done. And I'm gonna make it happen, get it done kind of guy. So that's what I'm trying to do today. I'm nervous. I don't like talking to people that I don't know. I'm uncomfortable. I got a little presentation in my mind. I'm just gonna say, hey, you know, I'm a local owner operator of a hot shot. Wanted to drop by and put this card in somebody's hands and hope that we could help each other out in the future. Thanks for your time. Adios. And I'm gonna try to get as many of those handed out as I can. And you know, this video will be, you know, I'll go in, I'll come back out, tell you what kind of business it was, how it was received, how it went, and then hopefully in the future I can do another video recapping and telling you all how many direct customers I picked up as a result of this effort. But I'm on the road right now, headed to the first stop. I've got kind of a general loop outlined in my mind that I'm going to make today, and I'm going to take you guys and gals along with me, and let's see how it goes. I'll check in after the first drop. Okay, 3 stops so far, 2 of which were unplanned, so I guess it's a good thing. You get to once you actually get out and start riding around, you know, I had places that I wanted to you know, go see and put a card in their hand, and I've only stopped at one of those. The other 2 stops have been places that are there, but I didn't think about. One of them was it's a mineral or aggregate producer, supplier. I'm trying to get this thing fixed a little better. I think they ship mostly bagged minerals or aggregates or something, I'm not sure. But I mean, I see hot shot trucks there all the time, so I stopped there, and they're closed for the day. But I left the card in the paper box, not the mailbox. Because as I understand it, from way back when I was a little boy, if you open somebody else's mailbox, that's a federal offense. I don't need any federal offenses. Probably not good for the CDL status. But I dropped one off there. Another place is like a fabrication machine shop that I didn't even know was there. They had a gate. I pulled in thinking it was just this one little building, and it turns out that there's a whole, you know, area of multiple buildings out back. And this one guy came out the front door. I asked him if he was the boss, and he said he guessed he did. He guessed that he was. And he was very receptive. He said they use hot shots all the time. Want to know what my capacities were, where I would go, and you know, we talked for just a few minutes, and he seemed to be genuinely appreciative that I had stopped by. So, yeah, the third place is one of the places that I had planned on stopping to begin with, and went in, talked to two guys. They said, hey, let me put you in front of somebody that you need to be talking to. A woman came out and she said it's a machine shop that a buddy of mine used to work at 25 years ago. And she said they didn't use many hot shots, but they had some going to Florida sometimes. She said they use hot shots occasionally. And I said, well, you know, I would like to occasionally run a load for you then. And they thanked me for coming by. I thanked them for their time. Then I left. I mean, felt positive. I don't think I irritated anybody by coming by or weirded anybody out. So we'll see. I mean, I don't know, 20 minutes into this effort. I've made 2 contacts and put a card in somebody else's box. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm not gonna do it all day. I got some stuff I want to do at the house, but you know, I tried to you know, thinking I would do it today, you know, a few hours, do it again tomorrow for a few hours, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna keep knocking on doors, handing out cards, and I'll keep y'all posted. Hey, if you don't hear from me in about 10 minutes, let somebody know. I may have irritated somebody and they disposed of me in a chemical vat or something to get me to go away. Hopefully not. But we're gonna keep knocking on the doors and handing out cards either way, till they make me stop or give us a load. Let's see how it goes. Bye. All right, it's another 15 minutes. I made 3 more stops. You know, one more. Hey, we don't hardly ever do anything like that, but if we do, we'll give you a call. So maybe they will. And 2 more, just drop a card off, put it in the door. This place is a big laser fab and machine shop. I see hot shot trucks up here a good bit when I'm going by. I'm sure they've got a broker that they're hooked up with, but I went in and signed a visitor's log. There was nobody at the desk. Didn't want to bother them, and honestly probably saved us all some time by just signing in at the visitor log and leaving my little postcard. It was laying in the middle of the desk. It can't possibly be missed, and it has on it what I needed to say, what I think I needed to say, what I think is going to get me some business, I hope. And so I left it. I'm not going to bore you all. If I have anything exciting happen the rest of the day or tomorrow, I will let you know, but I'm just going to keep this process up. I'm going to keep going, just driving down the road. Got a few places that I've got in my mind that I know I want to stop. If I see some other places and decide that I want to stop, I'm going to pick them up. You know, just trying to be productive, trying to do something with my time, and earn my keep. Trying to earn my keep. And we'll keep you posted. And hopefully in the upcoming weeks, I'll be able to tell you about this load that I'm running from this direct customer that I picked up from this effort. I trust and believe that this will yield some benefit. And I look forward to telling you about it. Until then, we'll see you.